Ladies and gentlemen, I now invite you to stand for your senior officers of the University of Liverpool.
Please be seated. I declare this congregation for the celebration of the graduates open. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to your graduation ceremony. It's really wonderful to welcome you all here in person at long last. Thank you for your patience. I'm Professor Fiona Beveridge, Pro-Vice-Chancellor for the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, and I would like to say, first of all, what a tremendous privilege and a pleasure it is to be here with you today as we celebrate this important milestone in your lives, together with your families and fellow students, your lecturers, and all those who've supported you on your journey to graduating from the University of Liverpool. Your graduation ceremony is a day to celebrate and to reflect, and perhaps also a day of very mixed emotions. I remember my own graduation feeling both relieved and proud to have finished, sad that a chapter of my life at university had come to an end, excited and nervous about the future and what it had in store. But of course, I was not a member of a cohort that has battled and won despite unprecedented challenges. For you, it's been very different because you've been students at a time like no other in history. Students in universities all across the country, and indeed all around the world, have been hit hard by the disruption to your education that the COVID-19 pandemic has caused. For many of you, your time with us was very different to what you'd imagined and expected. And although your experience and well-being were at the forefront of our decision-making all the way through the pandemic, I know it was not always easy for you. I know you had long days, sleepless nights, and difficult times exacerbated by these unique global circumstances. COVID-19 has devastated and separated people and continues to do so. You and your families and supporters have all the more reason to be proud today of what you've achieved in these circumstances. So graduation, now that it's finally here, is all about you, your achievements and your personal successes here at the University of Liverpool. It's a day to look forward to the future and to feel excited about your aspirations and career or future study plans. Most of all, it's a day to celebrate everything that you've achieved and to enjoy this moment with your loved ones, with those you've studied alongside and learned so much from. The pandemic has made us truly appreciate our loved ones and the experiences and memories we make together. I know today that you'll find a moment to thank them for their support and personal sacrifice, and also to thank your lecturers and teachers who've provided you with so much support and guidance on your path to graduation. This university has community and civic mission running through its rich history. To this day, we remain committed to the important civic mission in the City of Liverpool and our role as an anchor institution here. We make real economic, social, health and employment and cultural contributions to this great and unique city. We're a university that takes immense pride in equality of opportunity and in delivering projects and activities which widen access for students who are traditionally underrepresented in higher education. Knowledge should be celebrated, discussed and debated, and it should be accessible to all. It is through the discussion and dissemination of ideas and knowledge that society is shaped. Our aim is to inspire, engage and enable every single one of our students to fulfil their potential by raising their awareness, challenging barriers and providing opportunities. Graduating from an internationally renowned Russell Group institution and from a management school which sits as one of an elite group of institutions worldwide to hold the gold standard Triple Crown accreditation from AACSB, AMBA and EQUIS is an important boost to your CV. We are proud that our MBA programme is ranked number 4 by CEO magazine in the global MBA rankings for 2022, whilst the management school holds Tier 1 status. Our courses are developed to meet the demands of employers, and our teaching is delivered by experts in their field. As a research-intensive institution, all our teaching is research-connected, meaning that while you've been provided with a thorough grounding in established methods, you've also been introduced to innovative and even experimental approaches that have been used and written about by those doing the teaching. This places you in an enviable position in any job market across the globe, and equally puts you in great stead if you're continuing with your studies. Researchers right across the University of Liverpool Management School are tackling a range of societal issues, from the marketplace exclusion of vulnerable consumers and marginalised communities to sustainable supply chains and enhancing health and well-being among workers. Our mission, Learning to Make a Difference, is based on the fundamental belief that the purpose of our research and teaching is to develop students who are not only good employees, but individuals truly committed to making a difference. Our university has a long, successful history of graduates who go on to achieve great things. Our 9 Nobel laureates have led the way in fields from nuclear disarmament to the life cycle of malarial parasites. And our alumni community is full of business, finance and human resource talent. You have now joined this talented international alumni community, and you are and will always remain a fundamentally important part of our University of Liverpool family. The alumni community supports our students in many ways. Some of you will have personally experienced this while studying here, from delivering lectures and workshops to running alumni networks, offering work placements and mentoring. We hope that, like so many others, you'll stay in touch with us now and help guide and support our future students and broaden their horizons through your own experiences. It is through you that we are known. You are our greatest ambassadors, and through your achievements, you'll also become role models and a source of inspiration for the next generation of graduates. One thing we've all learned from the past 2 years is that we never know what the future holds. Things will very likely change in your chosen professional careers, but some things won't change for you. I'll flag up just 3. First, the need to be a lifelong learner. For the rest of your career, make sure that you commit to always being curious and to asking questions and always striving to do things better. The second is to support one another as friends, as colleagues, and as professionals during your careers. And finally, never forget why you wanted to pursue your chosen academic discipline. It will take dedication, tenacity, and above all, talent, passion, and belief to pursue the careers you've chosen or may yet to be decided on. But remember that these are all qualities that you've displayed in abundance during your time at the university, and your most difficult of experiences will shape how you deal with challenges and setbacks in the future. All of this, I have no doubt, will enable you to enjoy your work and your chosen career. Through hard work, determination, and a strong support network, you've overcome many challenges to reach this point in your journey. Your capacity to think critically and challenge honestly, forged by your teaching staff, your classmates, and our community, will help you to prepare for whatever comes next. This is your well-earned opportunity to take a moment to consider just how far you've come. Our Victoria building, the red brick building with the clock tower, is now a beautiful and iconic gallery and museum. Many of you will use it as the backdrop for some of your photographs today. Fixed to the wall is a plaque which reads, "For the advancement of learning and ennoblement of life." This is a motto that continues to guide us to this day. You have advanced your learning, and you have and will continue to ennoble life. You've been stretched to think beyond the textbook and lecture theatre, and you've been encouraged to apply the knowledge that you've learned to the world around you. Your University of Liverpool education has enabled you to realise just how far you can go and provide you with the skills you need to get there. I hope, as you move on, that you'll also remember many happy and joyful moments during your time at the university. Not only from an academic perspective, of course. I know that through your time here, you will have forged connections and made friends who will stay with you for the rest of your lives. Never forget how important you are to our university. Without you, the university would be nothing but classrooms and lecture halls. When we work together, the university is a place where discoveries are made, ideas formed, friendships forged, careers paths decided on, and lives changed. It's when we work together as staff and students that education is truly transformational. We thank you for all you've done in your time here, and we wish you good luck and every success in your future. Thank you.
Pro-Vice-Chancellor, it gives me tremendous pleasure to present to you the following graduates from the class of 2022. Harry Vignesh Selvastakaran. Bibi Habija Jamal Halilullah Rahman. Samuel Craddock. Joshua James Bond. Radoslav Marek Kosik. Harvey Little. Christina Margaret Wright. Marcus George Foster. Omar Abdelaziz. Osama Nadim Sethi. Grace Simmer. Leona Borska. Nazmul Hassan. Shona Elizabeth Whelan. Lacey Alice Whelan. Megan Mass. Ryan Siddy. Georgia Louise Williams. Daniel Craven. Alexander Nabil Gambori. Georgina Woosnam. Rawan Ahmed Abu Sulaiman. Shilit John Raj. Taze Magdum. Ram Sharma. Mohammed Hadis Khan. Isaac Mugarura Agaba. Kieran Sharp. William Andrew Grave. Kanchana Samarakun. Jingsheng Du. Joseph Al-Nazair. Hok Kyu Wong. Joshua Mark Evans. Gregory Norman Copping. Alexander David Walker. Lochin Chun. Zara Moore. Amber Twombly. Nicole Lauren Sellers. Bavi Sachdeva. Shira Malik. Lauren at Atlanta Wadey. Joseph William Wilson. Nabyendu Day. Hussein Al-Momen. Jane Catherine Billows. Sarah Oldfield. Jacob George. Nomanda Muyanda. Alif Imran bin Roslan. Esther Roman. Libin Vagassi. Marcel Lubac. Jianfeng Song. Shubham Prajapat. Aishwara Pola. Giovanna Mascarenas. Karen Rohit Bijor. Pratyusha Ray Chowdhury. Connor Buckley. Mariam Shavash Bukhari. Naina Shaiju. Andrew George Fell. Lucy Carruthers. Grishma Biju Kumar. Jamie Malloy. James Wilson. Time at Wigan. Lauren Allwright. Lydia Donnelly. Naga Gurudatta Katura. Bhagava Suresh Budiga. Arpita Dutta. Arkana Krishnan. Sneha Naresh Konda. Shriyuti Ravishankar. Canon James Airy. Faye Elizabeth Burke. Billy Menim. Kempis Subeo. Leila Ferrance. Julia Simon Avictor Tode. The writing, sorry. Yuen Nguyen. Maling Wang. Wong. Lan Yi. Yubu Zhang. Marcus Leon Ricketts. Ashu Shararat. Harriet Rebecca Hudson. Sachin Sadan Nandan. Rohit Balakrishnan. Roshnan Ali Perla. Supreet Deep Singh Gagnon. Somaya Varun Kumar. Somaya. Emil Khan Bangash. Ali Raza Khan Bangash. Ola Omotulani Owulabi. Dylan Thomas. Faisley Sayi. Kartik Dish D. Ashardam. Brajesh Kumar Singh. Frank Adache Nubor. Deepak. Shahara Zulfikir Ali. Amir Anat Pujari. Liz Fiju Jose. Gwatham Joshi. Harry Thampan. Parvathi Supagan. Rukash Mirin. Anne Rose Abraham. Aparna Kothakonda. Chian Lang. Isha Chaturvedi. Obina Augustine Iloka. Julia Elizabeth Abraham. Srinath Gopakuma. Anit Shaku. Shamik Husani Sayed. Taimur Yazin. Pratik Laxman Gazire. Adi Udepi. Elizabeth Sam. Nonyenechi Aramachi Wandu. Mahesh Sivakumar Vijay Kumari Aravind. Sukesh Kumar Radhakrishnan. Abhishek Ravichandran. Riya Saxena. Sonia Sahid. Tashab Kumar Daz. Eka Cynthia Amy. Saratu Owakwa Okuzi Daniels. Tululope Lucia Iwanili. Amatide Victoria Ogunleye. Jessica Ugwe. Vejimo Ugrina. Rien's Comachon. I'm sorry. Zuhal Javid. Zia Mustafa. Ratan Rupesh Matari. Peel Dostan Benny. Rohit Bandari. Ranit Goyal. Pramita Pandit. Aman Goyal. Javas Narang. Chandana Khan. Faisal Ahindi. Nathan Ian Brown. Loek Nubisi Dugan. Hakeem Onat Nusi. Ifatu Ezogo. Royce Aluko. Vishal Vishwanas Reddy. Beverly Muriel Rodriguez. Siva Narayana by Ruju. Saitaran Tunuguntola. Sonali Joseph. Hilda Souza Silva. Madalena Liteo Louis. Zheng Hong Liu. Lavanya Subramanian.
I would now like to invite Harry Vinesh to join us on stage to reflect on their student experience.
Pro Vice Chancellor, distinguished guests, friends, family, and my fellow graduates of 2022, good afternoon to you all. My name is Hari Vignesh, and I'm graduating with a Master's in Business Analytics and Big Data. To be standing here in front of such an amazing audience of students and guests from around the world is indeed a privilege. When I was asked to deliver a speech, I immediately jumped on the opportunities because why not? It's indeed an honor. But then I wondered if I could speak in front of a large crowd. But I reminded myself, if there's one thing that the past year and the university has taught us, is that if there's anything's possible, if you put your heart to it. I would like to start off by congratulating my fellow graduates. We made it. Today we celebrate our achievement with pride. It takes motivation to start, but discipline to continue and finish. We are now officially graduates from the University of Liverpool. To say that every student here has worked very hard in the past year is an understatement. Let's take a step back for a moment, though, and reflect on what we did in the past 12 to 18 months. It has been a roller coaster, yet we enjoyed the thrill and learned a lot through this journey. It's high time we take pride in what you have achieved. It's as Oprah Winfrey once said, if you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. But if you look at what you don't have in life, there'll never be enough. I would like to say an enormous thank you to the proud families in the audience for their massive support. Pursuing a master's amid a pandemic has its ups and downs. We've had emotional breakdowns, health concerns, financial issues, and many other challenges. And I believe it's safe to say at least once in the past year, all of us wanted to hang our bags and call it a day. But I'm grateful and proud that we all made it here. Without the support of the families, be it in person or at the other end of the spoon, speaking for international students, we couldn't have come this far. I would also like to thank every student here for supporting and inspiring each other like a second family to get through all these situations. Thank you all. As an international student, when I received my acceptance at the University of Liverpool, I didn't have to think twice to make a decision to go to a prestigious university, a city with rich culture and people who are warm and welcoming. To be unique in a competitive job market, I strongly believe that my master's degree will make a difference, and with the school's vision of learning to make a difference, I know I would fit right in. I was equally excited and worried as I'm traveling to a new country and leaving everything I know behind, and the pandemic made it worse. Personally, I had to reschedule 4 times to make it here. We've all faced some losses. Some are replaceable, others are not. But you held on, and here you are. The university provided me with everything that I hoped for, from high-quality studies to high-class professors. The modules are designed in such a way to ensure students acquire both a theoretical and practical understanding of the topics. The lecturers push the students to think critically, analyze, ask questions, and make decisions, developing skills that are so valuable not only in the job market, but also in the life. Needless to say, I would like to thank my parents for being the greatest support for the past 27 years of my life. Would like to thank my best friend for encouraging me to be the best version of me. Would like to thank my friends for all the memories, my university staff for believing in me throughout my masters and giving me a chance to contribute to student life in a meaningful way. I cannot thank them enough for nominating me to give me the speech. It's an honor. I believe I speak for all my fellow graduates when I say, we've had a great experience here and we thank you all from the bottom of our hearts. Real life starts now. No matter what your next chapter is, be prepared because it's not going to be easy. But the rough paths you take will lead you to beautiful destinations. Stop thinking where life's taking you. Instead, start planning where you can take your life. Embrace the beautiful mess you are and accept your imperfections because that's what makes you. So push your limits, take risks, take control of your own destiny, enjoy your ride to success, and I wish you happiness and all the luck in the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Vinesh. I'm sure your lecturers didn't teach you to quote from Oprah Winfrey, but what you did quote was very good. If you look at what you have in life, you'll always have more, but if you look at what you don't have in life, you'll never have enough. So thank you for that. So, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end. There's some high spirits in the house today, so I think it's time we'll let you go out into the sunshine. I declare this congregation for the celebration of our graduates closed. Salve sit universitas nostra quadricantis consurgamus.
Graduates and guests, please stand.
Well, congratulations, everyone. You win the award for the liveliest crowd we've had in here for a while. Thank you for showing your enthusiasm. I hope you continue to enjoy your celebrations throughout the afternoon. Don't forget you have a drinks voucher in your envelope for a glass of bubbly over at the Mountford Hall if you want to head on over there. Whatever you choose to do, have a lovely afternoon. Thank you, everyone.